Welcome to this video on configuring forms. Let's configure the forms for our process. We'll begin with the start form, which loads when the application is launched. Double-click the form. Assign it a name. For example, Input Request Support. And click here to open the Form Designer. In this view, you'll see the parameters and variables defined in the process. Since this is a start form, only input and optional parameters are available. Let's add a description field, a date picker, a client ID, and a priority level. We'll also add a button to submit the form. Let's name this button Send. Each control must be linked to a corresponding parameter. For example, if you prefer to use a date picker instead of a text box, simply delete the current control. Drag in a date picker. And link it to the appropriate parameter. There are two ways to create controls. One is by dragging them directly from the list of parameters and variables. The other is by dragging a generic control and then linking it manually to the correct parameter. You can also preview the form to see how it behaves. Notice how it adapts automatically to the screen size. It's fully responsive. Once you're done, save the form. It will now be associated with your start form.